So we've discovered that the State Department of Revenue has had some mistakes in tax withholding tables,
Yeah.
and it's going to mean smaller refunds or a payment for many taxpayers. What are the legislators' concerns about that, or are there any?
Well, I think there are. We've had some conversations. You know, I don't think anything's off the table as far as if we feel like there's a need to lighten the load for taxpayers. I think that's something that we're interested in. We're having conversations with DOR. They're running a bunch of different models, you know, to try to figure out what the impact will be on taxpayers. And so I think they have more. They know more than they did, but I think they're still kind of educating us and trying to get that information. So nothing's off the table.
Are you at all disappointed with the way they've handled the news of this? Because they put it out vaguely in a press release. They've put out a few tweets that have encouraged people to check their withholdings, but they've never really said with the magnitude that we expect a third or more of income tax filers perhaps to be affected.
I mean, I would certainly, without trying to be a Monday morning quarterback, I think there's some things they could have done differently. You know, the reality is we are where we are, and so I think for me anyway, you know, I'm looking forward and trying to figure out what we can do going forward as opposed to trying to rewrite history. And so I think there are some things potentially that we can do to make sure that the impact on everyday Missourians is as minimal as it can be. That would be my goal, and I think that's the goal of a lot of folks in the Senate.